Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the Shalila Stretchy Braided Solo Loop compatible with Apple Watch Band. If you're looking for a comfortable and stylish watch band for your Apple Watch, you won't want to miss this review. Let's start with an overview of the Shalila Stretchy Braided Solo Loop Apple Watch Band. This band is compatible with a wide range of Apple Watch models, including Series 9/8, SE, 7, 6/5, 4/3, 2/1, Ultra. It comes in various sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for your wrist, with options for both women and men. The material used in this band is stretchable, elastic polyamide, designed without a buckle for maximum comfort. One of the standout features of this product is the wide range of sizing options available. You can choose from XS, S, M, and L sizes, depending on your wrist circumference, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. The video can show viewers how to measure their wrist and select the right size using the provided size chart. The Shalila Stretchy Braided Solo Loop is compatible with Apple Watch models ranging from 38mm to 49mm, making it a versatile choice for various Apple Watch users. It's a perfect replacement band for Apple Watch Ultra, Ultra 2 and iWatch Series 9/8, SE, 7, 6/5, 4/3, 2/1. Dive into the material used in this band: elastic polyamide, which is not only stretchable but also skin-friendly. Discuss how it's designed without a buckle for extra comfort and how it's suitable for all skin types. Mention the variety of classic tones and colors available to match your style and outfits. Show some of the available colors to give viewers a visual idea. Share the unboxing experience, highlighting what's included in the package. Include a shot of the product and its packaging. Briefly mention some of the positive customer reviews, such as comfort, quality, and sizing accuracy. Discuss the pricing of the Shalila Stretchy Braided Solo Loop Apple Watch Band, which is currently listed at $9.98 on Amazon. Mention the availability on Amazon for easy purchase. Summarize the key points of the review, emphasizing the comfort, sizing options, compatibility, and stylish design of this Apple Watch Band. Encourage viewers to check out the product if they're in need of a high-quality and comfortable watch band. That wraps up our review of the Shalila Stretchy Braided Solo Loop compatible with Apple Watch Band. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the latest products. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.